Want to build wealth but don't want the hassle of owning property? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 awesome real estate hacks that can help you get rich without ever stepping foot in a property. These clever strategies are game changers, allowing everyday people like you to invest in profitable real estate projects without needing a lot of money up front or dealing with the headaches of property management. Stick around till the end because we'll also share a bonus tip to help you get the most out of your investments. You won't want to miss this. Let's begin with real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding has changed how everyday people can invest in property. You no longer need to be wealthy or own multiple homes to take part in profitable real estate projects. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet allow individuals to combine their money and invest together in large commercial properties, rental units, and exciting new developments. How real estate crowdfunding works. Investing in real estate crowdfunding is simple and open to everyone. With initial investments as low as $10 or $100, you can own a small piece of a significant property and benefit from the money made through rental income or rising property values. The great thing about these platforms is that they handle all the details of property ownership, so you won't have to worry about the difficulties that come with being a landlord. On average, these crowdfunding platforms report annual returns between 8% and 12%, giving you a solid chance to grow your wealth easily. Take Michelle Singletary, a well-known personal finance expert, as a real-world example. By investing in real estate crowdfunding through Fundrise, she has successfully expanded her investment portfolio without the trouble of managing physical properties. Over several years, she has enjoyed steady returns and created reliable streams of passive income, all from a fairly small initial investment. Michelle's experience highlights the potential of real estate crowdfunding as a practical investment option for those looking to diversify their finances and build wealth without high costs. Up next is wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling real estate is an effective way to make money by flipping contracts instead of properties. This approach is particularly appealing because it allows you to profit without having to buy the property yourself. Here's a clear breakdown of how wholesaling works. How wholesaling works. The process of wholesaling begins with actively searching for distressed properties or motivated sellers. These sellers are often individuals facing financial difficulties such as foreclosure or overwhelming repair costs, who need to sell their homes quickly, frequently at prices below market value. Your ability to identify these properties is crucial, as they represent potential profit opportunities. Once you have pinpointed a suitable property, the next step is to negotiate and put it under contract. This contract secures your right to purchase the property at an agreed-upon price within a specified time frame. Importantly, this contract often includes a contingency clause that allows you to back out of the deal if you cannot find a buyer, minimizing your risk. For example, if you contract a property for $150,000 and sell the contract to an investor for $170,000, you would make a $20,000 profit. Many wholesalers have achieved remarkable success with this strategy, sometimes earning thousands of dollars on a single deal. What's more, you don't need previous experience or a significant amount of money to start wholesaling, just determination and strong negotiation skills. One well-known person in the wholesaling field is Cody Sperber, known as the Clever Investor. In his early years, Cody made over $1 million through wholesaling, starting with no money to his name. He developed his skills in finding off-market deals and flipping contracts, showing that wholesaling can be a great way to build wealth without ever needing to own the properties involved. Cody's success story is a testament to the potential of wholesaling real estate. It demonstrates how individuals can use this strategy to create significant wealth through hard work and smart choices. For more insights into his journey and methods, you can read about his achievements at Clever Investor. Lastly, we have the Real Estate Investment Trusts, or REITs. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a great way for people to invest in real estate without having to buy property. A REIT is basically a company that owns, manages, or finances income-producing real estate in different areas, such as office buildings, rental apartments, or healthcare facilities. This investment model makes it possible for more people to get involved in the real estate market. How REITs work. Investing in a REIT is simple. You can buy shares just like you would with any other company on the stock market. What makes REITs special is that they are required by law to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This rule makes them a good choice for those looking for passive income. On average, the dividend yield for REITs is between 4% and 8%, providing investors with regular earnings while also allowing for potential growth as the value of the properties owned by the REIT increases. A well-known example of success in the REIT world is Sam Zell, a billionaire real estate investor recognized for his smart investments in this area. He founded Equity Residential, one of the largest apartment REITs in the world. Zell's ability to spot opportunities and manage properties has made him a key player in the real estate business. His REIT has not only brought him significant income, but has also allowed everyday investors to share in the profits of real estate without the hassle of managing properties themselves. By investing in Equity Residential, investors can enjoy steady income, showing how REITs can connect regular investors to the real estate market. Here's a bonus tip for your real estate investment success. To get the most out of your real estate investments without owning property, start by learning as much as you can. The market is always changing, so check out online courses, podcasts, and books that focus on real estate investing, crowdfunding, wholesaling, and REITs. It's also important to diversify. Consider spreading your investments across different crowdfunding platforms, types of properties like commercial, residential, or industrial, and areas to reduce risks and improve your returns. Building relationships with industry professionals can offer valuable insights and opportunities, so attend local meetups, seminars, and workshops to grow your network. Keep an eye on market trends by watching indicators like job rates and economic conditions to spot new markets for potential investments. Setting clear investment goals, whether you want quick profits, long-term wealth, or passive income, will help direct your strategy. Regularly checking your investments allows you to make necessary changes and grab new opportunities. Use technology by taking advantage of tools and apps designed for real estate investors to analyze properties, track expenses, and manage your portfolio. Lastly, be patient and determined. Building wealth through real estate takes time and effort. Stay focused on your strategy and learn from your experience to achieve lasting success. By using these tips in your investment journey, you can boost your chances of success in the real estate market without the hassles of property ownership. Happy investing! If you found these real estate hacks helpful, imagine the possibilities for building your wealth without the hassle of owning property. We hope you're excited to explore crowdfunding, wholesaling, and REITs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips and tricks for financial success. And if you're curious about how real estate stacks up against stocks, check out our next video, Real Estate versus Stocks. Which investment will make you rich in 2024? You won't want to miss it. See you there!